I myself am a student at York, and I know the struggles of trying to balance, studying and also doing things for yourself, and keeping sane, and also keeping in touch with people that make you happy. So I love my job, and I love that I'm able to be a part of students' everyday lives as well, and get to know their experiences. I actually got into this because I thought it was a great opportunity to network and meet new people. And I know that this unforeseen time in everybody's lives, I really love that we're able to communicate still online, which is great. And I know that for a lot of students, being away from home or being at home and not being able to study here and do what they're used to, I know it's very hard for them. And I also know that they are completely overwhelmed with all the work that they have to do. So I made sure that when I talk to them, it's fun and it's interesting, and it's just something that can help them take their mind off things a little bit. So the clubs that I run are cooking club and music club. And I chose those two clubs because those are two things that I hold very dear to my heart. And for cooking club, I love to do demonstrations for the students, and they kind of give me suggestions as to what they want to learn how to make. And a lot of them are interested in learning how to make, Western dishes that they aren't particularly used to. So last week we did pumpkin pie, and I kind of got to talk a little bit about Thanksgiving and what we do here in Canada and what our traditions are. So that was really fun. I've done pancakes before, something just so simple, but it's great. And I love making them. I make them at least once a week. And when we're not doing demonstrations, we actually get to talk about different dishes that they make at home. Some of them are actually the sole cooks of their households, and some of them live alone as well. And, it's important to talk about how to maintain a healthy diet, even when you're swamped with studying, because I know for me, it's really hard to not pick up that bag of chips on the shelf. So it's really great to get to talk about, different ideas and quick ways to, not spend an hour and a half making dinner every night. So that's a great club that I really love to run.